What's up everyone, my name is Rishab Gupta. In this video I'll tell you how to do Dempsey style side swing. So let's begin. Before we begin with this tutorial, I would like to tell you about Jack Dempsey. Jack Dempsey was a legendary boxer who ruled the heavyweight division with his unique style and brilliance. He was the one who invented the boxing technique known as Dempsey roll. With this technique, he could knock down giants and stayed as the champion from 1919 to 1926. Inspired by that, I wanted to create something similar, so I took the footwork from Dempsey roll and created Dempsey style side swing. So to perform this trick, you just have to follow 3 simple steps, and let me show you how to do that. So the first step to perform this trick is that you should know how to do side swing. If you don't know how to do side swing, I've done a tutorial on that. You can check it on my YouTube channel. But still, I'm going to tell you how to do it. To perform side swing, first of all, you would have to choose which hand is going to act as an anchor and which hand is going to swing the rope. So right now, my right hand will swing the rope and my left hand will act as an anchor. Let me show you how to do that. We'll start with the basic swing. And now you can check it that my right hand is swinging the rope and my left hand is just acting as an anchor. And we will switch from side swing to basic swing like this. And that's how we perform side swing. Now guys, we will perform the second step, which is the simplest one. All you have to do is jump from one side to other side like this. Now it may look simple, but you have to be aware of 2 things. The first one is it requires a lot of stamina to jump from one side to other side, and the second one is you might twist your ankle, so be careful. Now in the third step, we'll combine the earliest 2 steps, side swing and jumping from one side to other side. We'll start with a side swing like this, and now we are going to mix jumping from one side to other side. And that's how we perform Dempsey style side swing. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any thoughts or suggestions, then comment below. I'll see you in the next video.